Test check 1, 2. Okay, well, let's try something.
All right, so this should be the next video. The first one didn't seem to work. Maybe it'll show up later. But supposedly we're streaming live right now. So we're going to do a sync test. I'm going to clap and we'll see what goes on. Are you ready? All right, same video, clap test 2. Okay, this is clap test number 3 in video number 2. Try it again? All right, here we're doing a clap test. This is maybe the 3rd time, video number 2. What are you adjusting? Okay, you ready to do another test, clap test? Wow, okay. Okay, I feel a lot better about that. Don't you want to go to like the 300.578, you know, like we did before? Uh-huh. Here we go, another test. Oh, no. Yeah, it was really pretty far off. One more time. I was thinking maybe it's in my other YouTube account. Okay, another test. Here we go. Yeah? Do it again. Is that good? Well, then you got, what number are you at? Now the sound gets there first. Right. I mean, that was the problem before. All right, G. My hands are getting hardened. This is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know, can you see my lips moving? Oh, looky here, I got a video. It says live, but it doesn't look live. Oop, it is. Okay, we're out there. All right, I'm talking. I've also got a video, which is nice. I'm actually seeing it, so I'm glad that's working. I really don't know what else to say. Got a lot of rain today. Okay. Okay, we're back into continuing to fine tune this syncing issue that we have. It seems like 300 is the right milliseconds is the right number. But we had before we had minus 300, but back to plus 300, it seems to line up a lot better. Okay, I'm going to say a few more words and then we'll do another clap test if that's okay. You want to do some clapping? Okay, so this weekend we are, it's going to be pretty standard, only Ralph. So we only need one headset, so that's good. And the rest of the parts will come in and we'll try to figure out how to get all those fixed. I'm going to try one more clap test for me just to see on my video. We're a little bit late on the sound. Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, no, you went pat. Ready? So we're going to do another set of claps here. Let me do it again. Let me see it. Let me see what it looks like here on the live stream. Sound is very close, but it's still lagging on the stream. Try it again? Okay, here we go. Okay, the last thing that you did is worse. In other words, the sound is really lagging. Okay. All right, continuing clap testing. I thought 300 was close. We're going in the wrong direction, whatever you're doing. That last thing was way off. We got a new one? Okay, there we go. Oh, yeah, that looks good. What number you got? Really? All right, so we got 100 seems to work, but we're going to try 0 just to see what happens. You know, 0 looks okay. Well, it looks like the video is just a little bit delayed at 0. It's just, yeah, but it's pretty close. We'll go back to 100 and test it. All right, are we there? Okay, so here we are at 100. Hopefully this will be our final test. Okay, 100, if I'm really studying it, the sound is just a little late. Just a little late. So what are we now at? We're at 250? All right, here's 250. Okay, so that was 250. I haven't confirmed it yet, but it says it's pretty close. 250? All right, here's 250. 250 is a little late on the sound, yeah. Okay, so that was 250. I haven't confirmed it yet, but go back to 100. All right. So we're honing in here between 100 and 250, but we're going back to 100, so this is 100. So I'm thinking that 100 or maybe 150 might be the right answer if you're really getting picky. But we'll check this one more time. Stand by. You ready? Where are we at? 150. Here we go. Yeah? Okay, here we go. Real wide. The sound on that last one, where I did real wide, was coming in just a little bit, just a little teeny tiny bit late. Uh-huh. Maybe so. What do you mean? Oh, for it to take effect on the app? All right. Yeah, so I met with Matt and his family at the Flying Cow in Booth. Have you ever been there? Okay, here we go. Wide, we're at 100. That's real close. Well, just for the fun of it, to see what it does. Okay. All right, we'll try one more time here. At 50, maybe we'll get some sense of change one way or the other. But 100, I think, is probably good enough. Are you ready to try 50? Okay, here we go. I'm going to move over just so my hands aren't underneath the microphone. Let me see what it looked like. That last one we tried was 50? That's real close. So what are we doing? Is this 50 or what? Huh? This is at 0. Okay. So anyway, the Flying Cow is, you know where Booth is, right? Right there. You think 50 is better than 100? Then 0 probably is. So what do you got now? Yeah, so at the Flying Cow, it's at the end of the road there. You turn where the little buildings are, you know, in Booth, and you go all the way down the end of the road. There's a RV camp, and then there's a big building, and it's in that. It shares it with, I don't know, somebody else. but they have robots that bring you food. It's really kind of interesting, actually. You go up there and, are we ready? What number? This is 150. Okay, here we go. Clap test at 150. All right, let me check. This is 150. Okay, here we go. Clap test at 150. You know, what 150 seems a little bit late on the sound. All right, final test at 100. Okay. Okay, we're at 100. I'm thinking 100 is a good number. Yeah. Okay, well, we finally got that to work. However, all those adjustments are made within the OBS application. So for the fun of it, we're going to see if we can like zero that out and go to the Roland and see if we can put the delay in there, which would make it more efficient, we think. And we'll test that as soon as we get that set up. Zero that out and go to the Roland and see if we can put the delay in there, which would make it more efficient, we think. And we'll test that as soon as we get that set up. Okay, so what's the situation? We got 300 on the Roland and 0 in OBS? Okay, here we go. Clap test. So that means you go to 200? Okay, 100. I think 100 is probably the right number in both places. I don't know. I don't see much. Clap test. It's pretty good, George. So what do we got? Wait, wait. 100 on the Roland? Okay. 100 on the Roland. Okay, so 100's the right number, no matter where it lives. Yeah, let me see it one more time here. Yeah, that looks good. You talking about the Roland? No, the Roland in the church is a different unit, so we'll have to update that when we get over there. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're going to do one more test, 100 on the software and the OBS. Okay, ready? Yeah, that looks good. So you're going to leave it on OBS, or you're going to leave it on? Okay, so that, yeah, no, I don't know how that happened. So we're going back to putting the delay corrections in the OBS software, not the Roland, so it's the advanced properties on the audio mixer. All right, does that conclude our test? Yeah. Thank you very much for your patience.